Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure updates and connectivity are ready. That avoids false activation errors. Once done, sign into the exact Microsoft account used to buy or register Office 2019 because activation binds to that identity. Next, open Word and navigate to File, then Account to check the activation message. This tells you whether to proceed with repair or re-enter a product key. Do these steps now so you can act on the specific status you see. You should run Office Quick Repair from Programs and Features. It often fixes corrupted activation files. If that doesn't work, choose Online Repair because it reinstalls necessary components. If you have a 25-character product key, enter it under Account, type carefully and include hyphens. This directly forces reactivation. Make sure to disable any proxy or VPN temporarily, since network routing can block license checks. After repair and key entry, restart Word and verify activation status. Once repaired, sign out of Office and sign back in so the client fetches license tokens anew. This refresh can solve lingering issues. If activation still fails, run the activation troubleshooter or attempt activation on another network to rule out local firewall problems. Make sure you have your purchase receipt or account email handy in case you contact Microsoft support. If support asks, report the exact error code shown in Word. That code speeds resolution and points to the underlying cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.